Hi, I'm Mike. The main reason why you'd be changing the motor and pump assembly in your dishwasher would be if your dishwasher isn't working correctly or if the water in the dishwasher isn't being drained properly. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a little bit of dish soap. Before doing any repairs, completely disconnect your appliance from its power source. In order to do this repair, you're going to have to take your dishwasher out of the cabinet, and you do that by following these steps. Number 1, we're going to take out the screws that hold in the dishwasher into the cabinet. Number 2, we're going to take out the lower rack of the dishwasher. Number 3 is we're going to disconnect the dishwasher drain line. This may vary depending on your type of dishwasher. Next, we're going to remove the bottom kick plate of the dishwasher, which would be the bottom panel. Number 5, we're going to remove the water fill line from the dishwasher. And number 6, we're just going to pull the dishwasher out of the cabinet. So to begin our repair, we're going to open up on the dishwasher door. And next we're going to slide the bottom dish rack out of the dishwasher. Next we're going to remove the top dish rack from the dishwasher. And we do that by just removing these stops. Just going to slide up and pull those out. And once those stoppers have been removed, we're just going to take the top dish rack out. Next we're going to remove the lower spray arm of the dishwasher. And we're going to also remove the filter cup and the filter screen. Next, using a Phillips head screwdriver, or whatever screwdriver is applicable, we're going to remove the screw that holds the upper spray tube into place. We're just going to take the upper spray tube, we're going to pull it out of the pump assembly. Keep in mind that this dishwasher has been flipped upside down, so it's easier for you to understand what the repair looks like. Next, we're going to disconnect this drain hose from the motor pump assembly. We're going to unscrew the stability sensor away from the motor and pump assembly. Just going to turn it counterclockwise until it becomes loose, and we're just going to pull out. We're also going to disconnect the wires from the motor and pump assembly as well. So next we're just going to disconnect this wire from the motor. Next we're going to remove the drain pump assembly. We're going to do that by removing the wire from the wire harness. We're going to press on the tab that locks the pump assembly in. We're going to rotate it counterclockwise, and we're going to remove that pump. So next, there's going to be 3 tabs that hold the motor and pump assembly into place, and we're just going to push those tabs in. And we're just going to push the motor and pump assembly forward. This way it's popped out of the bottom of the dishwasher a little bit. We're going to open the door of the dishwasher up again, and we're just going to lift the motor and pump assembly out of the bottom of the dishwasher. Next we're going to grab our new OEM replacement pump and motor assembly. If you don't have one of these assemblies already, you can find one on one of our online stores. Before we install our new motor and pump assembly, we're going to use a little bit of liquid dish soap. And we're just going to take the dish soap, we're just going to rub it around the edge of the motor pump assembly. This way when we slide it back into the dishwasher, it'll fit in nice and tight. When we place our new motor and pump assembly, we're just going to position it so that it fits snugly. Just keep in mind that this upper spray tube should fit in here nice and easy. So we're going to do that first. We're just going to line it up. And we're going to push in the assembly until we feel that it's secure. So next we're going to go underneath the dishwasher. We're just going to clip in our new motor pump assembly into the bottom frame of the dishwasher. So next we're going to reconnect our stability sensor, twisting it in place, making sure it locks in. We're going to slide our wires that we took out previously. We're going to reconnect our wire harness to the motor. Next we're going to take our drain pump. We're going to line this tab up with the tab that's on the side. We're going to fit it in position. We're going to turn it clockwise until you hear that snap. And it's locked in place. We're going to plug in the wire harness to the pump. Next we're going to reattach the drain hose that we took off previously. Once we make sure that everything is locked and secure on the bottom of the dishwasher, next we're going to open up the dishwasher door and reattach everything we took out previously. We're going to go ahead and screw the spray tube back into place. Next we're going to reattach the screen filter to our new pump motor assembly. We're also going to put our filter cup back into place right after that. Next we're going to take our lower spray arm. I'm going to lock that into place. Next we're going to slide in our upper dish rack into position. We're going to pull out the upper rack. We're going to place in our rack stoppers up top. Once the upper rack has been installed and is secure, next we're going to place our lower dish rack onto the door, and we're just going to slide it into position. All you have to do is just shut your dishwasher door, test to make sure that your pump and motor assembly works correctly, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, comment, or share, and if you liked our video, please subscribe down below.